Hello. This is a very brief overview of how this workstream will inform the structure of an African Population Cohorts Consortium. The work's being done by a team from the Malawi Epidemiology and Intervention Research Unit, Edith Jukumbu, myself, Mia Crampon, and Jethro Banda, together with Jim Todd from the National Institute for Medical Research in Tanzania. The objectives of our workstream is to conduct a landscaping review of existing studies and to engage with cohort leaders to inform the creation of the consortium. We're collecting information, we've designed a survey and are conducting workshops, and we will liaise with the other workstreams to report on how the new APCC can support population cohorts. It was important to start with some agreed criteria, and these are the preliminary criteria that the cohort investigator group identified. Our focus is on large ongoing population cohorts, but the criteria may be refined over time. So I'll now invite Judith to speak about the process of identifying cohorts. Jethro will take you through the survey, and then Jim will speak about the workshops we're planning.
So the process of mapping the cohorts involves collecting data from co-investigators, cohort leads, snowballing, and literature searches. You see here we have identified cohorts. There's a significant undercount in North and Francophone Africa, which we're trying to rectify. 53 of the cohorts are already part of networks, of which the areas of focus include HIV, malaria, and NCTs.
To know more about the African cohorts, we have prepared a survey that collects information about the areas that each cohort focuses on, the samples that they collect, issues with ethics and data sharing, and we also collect information about key contacts at cohort level for future interactions.
Which brings us on to the 4 workshops where we find the views of the people who are in these who are running these existing cohorts, what their concerns are, what their interests are. And then we'll bring them the information together into a synopsis workshop, which we'll hold on the 16th of June, and then write the report about what we find. Participants and cohort representatives may want to engage with other of the work streams. We'll hear more about them in other videos. And then we'll make some recommendations about the formation of the African Population Cohorts Consortium, which will be in 2024. Thank you for listening.